To prune Weigela, use pruning shears to remove old growth after the plant has flowered in the early spring. Look for damaged or dead shoots on older branches and clip them off at the point where they connect to the main stem. Then, identify the oldest branches on your shrub and clip off 3 to 5 secondary stems from each branch. If you can't see the base of the plant, trim 1/3 of the branches back to open the shrub up and allow sunlight to get in. If your Weigelas ever start withering during the growing season, clip off the largest, oldest stems to promote new healthy growth. In the early winter or late fall, prune your Weigelas to remove any dead wood. Clip off any branches or shoots that appear weak or dying, and trim the plant back no more than 20% to promote healthy growth the following spring.